Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am back. New and latest, here are a few crochet handbags design ideas to inspire your creativity. You create a classic tote bag with sturdy handles and top handles using a simple stitch pattern. You can customize it with colorful yarn and add pockets for fashionability. And boho shoulder bag like French style and unique stitch patterns achieve a boho style shoulder bag at the tones for different color work well for this design. And multi-bag craft has assembled multi-bag with an open void design. These are not only particle but also issue friendly. And lifestyle beautiful and latest. This sludgy relaxed style is perfect for everyday use and use a softer stock yarn to achieve the popo bag style. Remember, you can personalize this design with your choice of color, yarns and embellishment to make them uniquely yours. There are plenty of crochet patterns available online and in books to help you get started with this design. Crochet handbags ideas. Here are some more crochet handbags ideas to spark your creativity. And like seashell beach bag betas, beach hemmed bag with seashell and wave pattern OPT for cure and sandy beige color for color to capture the beach vibe and style.